I receive a lot of calls and emails asking me, how do they personally prepare themselves for marriage? So I thought, why not do this session on how to prepare for marriage? Remember, in my last talk, I said that it is very important to go for premarital counseling. Marriage can be one of life's beautiful ventures, but it is also one with risk. Young men and women, couples and communities are now willing to invest and support active preparation for marriage. Let us now discuss what are the common problem areas. Many young couples' expectation of marriage revolves around the false belief that love will get them through rough times. While love is important, it won't be enough if the couples don't have the basic attitude and skills they need for successful marriage. Lasting marriages require partners who respect each other, who have gained knowledge about what makes marriage work, and have developed skills that will enhance the relationship. Most couples face their most serious challenges during the first 5 years of their marriage. A few of the problems that the researchers have identified are balancing job and family, frequency of physical relationships, debt brought into marriage, husband's employment, finances, expectations about household tasks, constant bickering, communication with spouse, problems with parents or in-laws, and last but not the least, lack of time that is spent with one another. Through effective preparation, many of these issues can be discussed and plans can be made to handle them so they don't become an hindrance to an early marriage. So now let us discuss what is marriage preparation. Marriage preparation is training through courses, seminars, or counseling that prepares couples for a successful marriage. Training often focuses on developing skills such as communication, handling conflicts, solving problems, and of course making decisions. It might also include help in developing the knowledge, attitude, expectations, and characteristics that are important to creating a satisfying relationship. An important purpose of marriage preparation is to help each other assess his or her personal readiness for marriage. It can also help couples become aware of assets and liabilities of their relationship, which are important factors in deciding who and when to marry. As they evaluate these factors, couples have a chance to slow down things and think seriously about their relationship. In other words, premarital education allows couples to plan their marriages rather than just have a wedding. The objective of a marriage preparation is to develop skills in communication, commitment to the relationship, intimacy, and solving problems. These skills will enable you to resolve future conflicts dealing with finance, leisure, recreational interest, role expectation about children and parenting, decision making, continuing your education after marriage, career expectations, religious practices, and finally plans for the wedding. For all of this to happen, you need to know what are the benefits of marriage preparation. Is marriage preparation effective? Is the key. Research says that couples who participate in premarital programs experienced a 30% increase in marital success over those who did not participate. They developed better communication skills, concerns for their spouse, greater emphasis on positive aspects of a relationship, and enhanced overall relationship quality. These programs benefited the couples 6 months to 3 years after the program was over. These programs helped couples who were getting married with high risk, such as coming from homes where parents had divorced or had high levels of conflict. Participating in premarital education can be both enjoyable and, of course, informative. People learn many things about their potential spouse that they never even thought to consider. Premarital workshop tends to be enlightening and eye-openers, discussing topics like household chores, in-laws, employment, and intimacy helps couples identify one another's expectation. It also helps couples discover areas of disagreement before they get married. Sometimes these discussions uncover information about a future spouse is involved in behavior that will be destructive to the marriage relationship. Critical information to know before marriage. The responsibility now is on your shoulders. How can you prepare for marriage on your own? This is like a self-learning and important for you to take the next step. Attend seminars or workshops by masjids or professional organizations. This is the number one. Second, books. Reading a good book is fun and practical way to gain knowledge about marriage. Some books take a religious standpoint and others do not. Several are based on life's experiences of others. Point number 3. Relationship questionnaires. Questionnaires or surveys can offer valuable insights to couples preparing for marriage. They help uncover strengths and weaknesses and identify areas where you need to improve. These you will find a lot of them on the internet. Point number 4. Listening to motivational videos like the ones made by Muslim Matrimonial or by other relationship coaches. Point number 5. Discussions with leaders and elders in the community can also be a big help in this process. Especially meeting with an imam who is also a qualified marriage counselor makes a big difference. Point number 6. Friends also play a major role of influencers. If you are surrounded by friends who have had bad experience in a marriage, you will look at it in the same perspectives. Whatever form of premarital education or workshop you choose, make sure you make the most out of it. The more you learn before you get married, the more smooth your relationship will go when you get married. I hope you have benefited from my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you're notified about my next video. Have a blessed day.